Flexible module-level power electronics from Tigo provide enhanced performance and unparalleled visibility for PV systems of all sizes and types. Tigo's TS4 platform is a flexible system that brings a range of smart features to any solar module, including improved energy harvest, safety, monitoring, and the ability to extend string length by up to 30%. This video will introduce Tigo's TS4 platform and cover the steps required to set up your TS4 system. These steps include installation of your TS4 Smart Modules or TS4R add-on units, gateway placement and wiring, Cloud Connect installation, online system configuration, and on-site equipment commissioning. If installing TS4 for optimization only, physical installation of the TS4 units is the only required step. The Cloud Connect and Gateway are optional when monitoring and safety features are not needed. In this video, we will explain the simple steps of a Tigo installation. Before installing any Tigo products, please read all instructions and safety information. Installation must be performed by trained professionals only. Always use the proper tools and safety equipment and adhere to all national and local electrical codes. Never disconnect components while under load. All Tigo components are shipped in the on position, therefore always assume high voltage is present. The Tigo system consists of three key components: the TS4 equipped Smart Module, Gateway, and Cloud Connect or Cloud Connect Advanced. Integrated Smart Modules have Tigo electronics installed at the factory, so there are no additional wiring connections to make. Standard modules can also be equipped with Tigo's add-on or retrofit products to add smart functionality where needed. There are 5 different TS4 models to choose from: simple diodes, monitoring, safety, optimization, and long strings. The different types can be mixed and matched within a system and can be selectively deployed where needed. The gateway is an antenna or access point that communicates wirelessly with the TS4 units for data collection and sends the information back to the Cloud Connect via RS-485 cable. The Cloud Connect or Cloud Connect Advanced is a powerful data logger which sends data to the cloud and also controls safety features like rapid shutdown. System energy production can be viewed by using Tigo's web-based monitoring interface or with the Tigo Smart app for iOS and Android. A successful installation begins with the right system design. The voltage and current ratings for your Tigo electronics should match the specs of the PV module as listed on the manufacturer datasheet. Use the Tigo product selection tool located at tigoenergy.com/design to help choose the right equipment for your project and generate a bill of materials. Prepare for the site visit by creating an installer account at tigoenergy.com and installing the Tigo Smart app. Bring a copy of the system map for recording barcodes in their proper locations. Since TS4 integrated smart modules already have the electronics built in, they are installed and connected in series just like regular modules. The TS4R add-on units have a bracket that mounts quickly and easily to the module frame without tools. Connect the leads of the PV module to the inputs of the TS4R unit. This is the shortest pair of leads. The TS4R output leads should then be connected in series to form a string. Tigo units do not require separate grounding. While installing the TS4 Smart Modules or TS4R add-on units, record their locations by removing the barcode sticker and placing it on a string template or system map. Making a physical map of the system is optional, but improves its appearance in the monitoring portal. While installing the modules, select a location central to the array for placement of the gateway. Gateways can communicate wirelessly with up to 120 smart modules within a 50-foot or 15-meter radius. Up to 7 gateways can be connected in series to a single Cloud Connect. When wiring multiple gateways together, remove the termination resistors from all but the last gateway in series. When designing larger arrays, gateways are typically located near the center of each subarray or each different plane of the array. All smart modules in the system should be within range of a gateway for monitoring and safety capabilities. The Cloud Connect or Cloud Connect Advanced is the data logger for the system and controls the safety features including rapid shutdown. It is typically mounted on a wall or beam near the inverter or inside it and should have access to AC power and internet. Each Cloud Connect can communicate with up to 360 smart modules. Since the Cloud Connect and Cloud Connect Advanced have built-in Ethernet and Wi-Fi, and some are equipped with cellular capabilities, they can be connected to wired or wireless networks. Use the Tigo Smart app to test and configure network settings. Note that the gateway wiring connection should be made before powering on the Cloud Connect. This connection should be standard RS-485 communication cable, which supplies power to the gateways and transmits data to and from the Cloud Connect. This cable can run in the same conduit or raceway as your standard PV wire, as long as it has the proper voltage isolation depending on system voltage. Once the physical installation is complete and the barcodes have been collected, it's time to begin site configuration. Log in to TigoEnergy.com or the Tigo Smart app with your installer account and create a new installation. The site builder will guide you through the steps of the configuration process. Enter your inverter and module types, as well as the number of modules per string. You'll also need the barcodes from the Cloud Connect and TS4 units. In the layout step, you can arrange your modules to match the physical installation. You can place modules individually or by string. Once all modules have been placed, enter the TS4 barcodes. This is the Tigo barcode located on the TS4 junction box or TS4R add-on unit. You can also upload a CSV file using the template available on this page in the site builder. On the confirmation step, review the information you've entered and click the Finish button to transmit the configuration file to your Cloud Connect. Note that the web configuration step is optional for residential systems since the entire process can be completed with the Tigo Smart app. Once physical installation and site configuration of the system are complete, it's time to commission the Tigo equipment. Use the Tigo Smart app to test the network connection. When the Cloud Connect is first connected to a network, it will download the configuration file and be ready to start discovery. The discovery process performs a scan for the TS4 units and activates production monitoring for viewing in the Tigo Cloud. This process should be started no later than an hour before sunset. For larger systems, discovery can be run on multiple Cloud Connects simultaneously to save time. Once the Tigo Smart app indicates that the gateways have been found, discovery can then be activated on the next Cloud Connect. When discovery is complete, the module level power, voltage, and current data can be used to confirm that the system is working properly. Let's review the installation steps. Install your TS4 Smart Modules or TS4R add-on units on your standard modules. Wire the TS4 cables together in series. Place your gateway in a central location. Connect the gateway to the Cloud Connect via RS-485 cable. Install the Cloud Connect in a convenient location near the inverter with access to AC power and internet. Configure the system online. Commission the system, test the network, and run discovery. After the system has been commissioned, you can show your customer how to view their production through the Tigo monitoring portal. Show them where the Cloud Connect is located and how to deactivate and re-energize the system. Thank you for choosing Tigo, the leader in flexible module-level electronics. For product manuals and design guidelines, visit our online resource center at support.tigoenergy.com or contact us at training@tigoenergy.com.